This is Evergreen Nursery in San Leandro, California, and it's probably one of my favorite nurseries. Their employees are so friendly and helpful. They always have a nice selection, they carry high-quality soils and amendments, and they offer lots of fruit trees and host workshops in this building. I've attended a few myself, including a fruit tree pruning class and a 420 growing class. They have a little pottery section and a bonsai section as well, and some really nice cactus and succulent selections at a reasonable price. In fact, everything here tends to be reasonably priced, and their employees do take really good care of the plants until they find a home with you. Inside the shop, you'll find their houseplants, their bulbs, their beneficial insects, seeds, tools, and more. If you're ever in the area, Evergreen Nursery is definitely worth checking out.